Verifying your bank account on ZeroTier is an essential process to ensure secure transactions and access to services. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Create a ZeroTier account. Visit the ZeroTier website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information and confirm your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Access the bank verification section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter bank details. Provide the necessary bank account information, including your account number, routing number, and any other required details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 4. Confirm small deposits. After submitting your bank details, ZeroTier will make 2 small deposits into your bank account. Check your bank statement for these deposits, which usually take a few days to appear. Step 5. Complete verification. Return to your ZeroTier account and enter the amounts of the small deposits you received. Once you submit this information, your bank account will be verified and you will receive a confirmation. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your bank account on ZeroTier. This will enhance your account's security and enable you to use all available features.